Hi, my name is Mr. Dulick, and welcome to the AP Chemistry Summer Prep course. In this video lesson, I want to take you on a tour of the course and provide you with my expectations and goals for the course. Okay, so the main goal of the course is to prepare you for the AP Chemistry class that you're about to take. Many of you haven't had chemistry in a number of years. Some of you recently had it. Some of you might remember certain things and forgot other things. And the idea behind this is that I want everybody to walk into the class having at least the same basic fundamental, knowledge base to start off. All right, so each of the topics are going to be broken down into objectives, video lessons, practice sets, and then assessments. So in each of those 5 topics, that's what you're going to see in each of those pages. So if we can go ahead and take a look at our first page. Now, real quick, the way you can explore these topics is you can either just click on the links here and explore whatever concept you want right away. So if you want to do nomenclature first or gases, that's totally up to you. Or what you can do is if you want to follow it in the approach that I kind of put together is you can just click on the next button down here in the bottom right, and if you keep clicking that next button, it'll take you through the entire summer prep course. All right, so let's click on the first one here, which is Introduction and Scientific Measurements. And as I said, you can see here's the objective. So this is what I'd like you to know from this particular concept. And you might go through this and go, yeah, I remember all that. That's pretty straightforward. You could do is jump right down to the assessment. And again, just so you know, none of the work that's on the summer prep course is going to be graded. This is all for your benefit to prepare you for the class. So I'm not going to take any of these for a grade. So you don't feel like you have to do everything. You don't have to click on every practice set and complete every practice set. You don't have to watch every video lesson and every quiz. They're there for you to practice. So if you want to make sure that you're good with topic 1, you can take the unit quiz. And if you ace it and you do well, then you're good and you can move on to another topic. You won't need to go through any of the other material in here. But if you don't do well and you need more extra help, that's what the rest of the resources are. So there's some reference handouts here for you. Practice sets that can be taken over and over and over again. And the practice sets and the unit quiz here are going to be graded by Canvas, and you'll get instant feedback right away. Now, if you're struggling with some material and you just can't remember how to do metric conversions or scientific notation, or you forgot the rules for significant figures, I do have video lessons here for you. And again, don't feel obligated to have to watch every single video lesson. You might just need to watch the one on the significant figures or maybe the one on metric conversions just to refresh your memory. All right, so that would be the layout of each of the topic pages. What we'll look at next is the overall quiz that you're going to have to take at the beginning of the year. All right, so you finished all of the summer prep stuff. You went through all the topics, you practiced everything, and you feel like you're ready for AP Chem. So what we're going to do is we're going to test to see that you're ready. So to do that is I'm going to give you a quiz at the beginning of the school year. Now you're going to have a little bit of time in between the beginning of the year and the quiz. It's not going to be on day 1. You'll get a couple days to ask questions and go over some of the topics you might have had trouble with. So don't feel like you've got to be ready right on day 1. But, you definitely should have some stuff now. The quiz will be broken up based on the percentages here. So you can see how everything will be weighted on the quiz. Now, what you could do to make sure that you're ready is I do have the practice quiz. And this practice quiz can be taken as many times as you want. And it pretty much replicates the actual quiz itself. So if you can take this actually on day 1 of the summer work and you can do really well on that and you're acing that, you don't really need to do any summer work at all, to be honest with you, because that's all I want you to do. You just need to be able to pass this quiz at the beginning of the year. Okay, that's the general idea. So, like I said, the quiz will be at the beginning of the year, and I think that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. Good luck, and look forward to working with you guys. Take care.